Today I'm going to answer the question, how can you continue to live in your house once it's on the market? My name is Mick, and I'm the owner here at Lincoln Select Real Estate Group at Nebraska Realty. Your home has always been your sanctuary, your one true personal space, but now it's listed for sale and will soon get tons of foot traffic. This can get very stressful and make it difficult to continue living your normal life in your house, especially if you have young children and pets. So here are 5 tips to help you continue living in your home while your home is on the market. So the first tip I want to address with you guys is start packing now. Packing and storing boxes in the basement or garage is completely acceptable. We want to open up as much of the space as possible, so we're emphasizing floor space and square footage. So the larger it feels, the more money you get. One benefit of working with Lincoln Select here is that we actually have a moving truck to allow you to move stuff if you need to, and that will come into play in a few of the next points. Point 2, sell, donate, or throw it away. When moving, it's a perfect time to declutter those items that you haven't used. Most professionals recommend, if things you have not come into contact with in the past year, may be things that you may want to remove. Of course, excluding those heirlooms or memory items. Tip number 3, get squeaky clean. A clean and cared for house can net you $5,000 to $10,000 more for the sale of your home. Shoot for 5-star hotel perfection when cleaning. The focus particularly on bathrooms, kitchens, windows, and floors. Make it sparkle. I can tell you from experience, there's a huge difference in my clients' appreciation for a home when they walk in if it's that 5-star level clean. So don't skip the corners. Tip number 4 here, maintain privacy and safety. This is one thing I talk to all of my sellers about, and it's super important that you do these things. So when a buyer is looking through a home, they're going to be looking through those closets and other areas that typically are going to be private in your home. It's super important that you take that into consideration and put away all of those valuables, weapons, drugs, prescription, of course, to make sure that those things don't go missing while your home is on the market. Finally here, tip number 5, if you've got kids, involve them. Nothing is better than having your kids be a part of the selling process. The easiest way to get them involved is through games or a reward system, so they'll help you clean the house and keep it prepared for showings. You won't believe how motivated kids can get when it comes to tying fun into the process. And believe it or not, guys, kids love the moving process. They love the excitement of a new home. So again, guys, those are my 5 tips for how to live in your home while it's on the market. If you have any questions or would like more information on how to use our moving truck, simply reach out to your agent. They would love to speak with you about that. Again, my name is Mick, Lincoln Select Real Estate Group here at Nebraska Realty. Good luck on the sale of your home. Hey, thanks so much for checking out our video and watching till the end. If you're looking for more content about real estate, just simply subscribe over here to the right. And if you want more information on what your home is worth, check out sellyourhomelincoln.com to get an evaluation done, and one of our listing specialists will reach out to you to help you determine that final price. Thanks again.